Welcome to this lecture, and this lecture will be studied about the Python data types in numeric. So, Python numeric data type is used to hold numeric values like integer, long, float, and complex. Integer hold signed integer of non-limited length. Long hold long integer exist in the Python 2.x and Python 3.x. Float hold floating numbers and it's accurate up to 15 decimal places. Complex hold complex number. In the Python, we need not to declare the data types while declaring variable like C and the C++. We can simply just assign the values in the variables, but if we want to see what types of numerical value is it holding right now, we can use type and means you can use the keyword type like this. Now we just see the example of this numeric data type in the Python. So here I just create a variable which is 100. So now here I just create a variable with the integer value. So here I just write print, and the print I just write print the type of variable having value, and here the value is a, and a is the type of a. Okay, and let's close this code here. Now I just create a variable with the float value. So b is equal to 10.23. So this is a float value because the point, and here I just print the type of variable having the value, and the value is b, and b is type, and then b, and let's close this code here. Now we just create a variable with a complex value like c is equal to 100 and plus 3j or 3k, any value you want to give here. So here I just write print, and here I just write the type of variable. This is a variable, so the type of variable which is having the value of c, and then c is the type of c, and let's close this code here. Now I just save this file and let's debug it, means run the module with F5. So you can see the type of variable having the value is 100, and the class here is int, and the types of value having the value of the float, and the class here which is float, and the types of variable having the value is 10 plus 3g is the class of complex. So you can see here the output of this numeric data types. A string is a sequence of characters. Python support Unicode characters. Generally, strings are represented by either single or double quotation. We just see the output of this string. So here I just write the variable which is equal to a, and here I just pass the string value string in a double quotation, and here is a quotation or a double quote, and the b value which is equal to a string in a single quote. Okay, this is a single quote. Here I just write print, and the print is the a, and the print is b. Now here I just use the single quotation to concate two value or several strings. So here I just print A, and here I just write concated with B. Okay, here's a B, and I'll just close this tag here, and then I just using plus sign to concate the two several string. Means first I just use the comma, and now I just use the plus sign. So here I just write plus and A plus, and here I just write concated with plus B. Okay, so now we just check the output of this code. So I just run this module, and okay, so you can see string and double quotation, string in a single quotation, and here string in a double quotation and concated with string in a single quote, and then string in a double quotation, and then concatenate or concate with this string in a single quote. So this is a string in the Python. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.